Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you creative and inspiring design tutorials. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what we'll be creating today. This gorgeous wedding invitation features delicate watercolor elements we are creating in Illustrator. I've set up a document with the standard invitation size with width 5 inches and height 7 inches with bleed 0.25 inches. Set the color mode to RGB and click Create. Now draw a white rectangle for background. Add 0.25 inches bleed in both width and height. Align it in the center horizontally and vertically and click Object menu and lock the rectangle. Later on we will unlock it. Now for border, draw a hexagon with stroke 1 point. Change its angle to 90 degree. Enlarge the hexagon by dragging it with Selection tool. Align it in the center horizontally and vertically. Now make its copy and paste in front. Now change the angle of second hexagon and align it in the center according to artboard. Now group both hexagons with Ctrl G, change the stroke color. I have used golden gradient for border. Now keep it aside until we create the background. Now we'll begin by creating a soft, watercolor background. I am using this brush to create background. Choose a light color palette that complements your wedding theme. With a watercolor brush selected, gently paint strokes across the canvas. Now make the copy of brush stroke and place it at the bottom of the background and arrange it. Change the color, use any soft color from palette. Make copy of background rectangle and arrange it in the front. Select all and make clipping mask. Now our background is ready. Place the border frame on the background and align it. Next, let's add the important details, the names of the couple, the date, and venue. I have already written these details to save the time. Choose a font that reflects the mood of your wedding, and strategically place the names, date, and venue. Now draw a line of 1 point stroke to add another design element on the card. Make a little leaf and circle on this element. Make the copy of this element and align it. Now, let's add some watercolor flowers to our invitation. Use different watercolor brushes to create flowers and leaves. If you want to draw same roses, please click on the I button to view my video about how to draw watercolor roses. Now moving on to the leaf branches, I am using this watercolor brush for drawing the main stem. Choose green color from color palette and stroke weight 0.25 point. After drawing stem, add leaves along the sides with this brush. Arrange the branches and now group roses and branches and leaves. Make copy of this element. Flip it horizontally and vertically and place it at the bottom of invitation. Now to make it more beautiful, I have used this brush to splash ink on the invitation. Our invitation is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on designing watercolor wedding invitations in Illustrator. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity flow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.